Hey, what's up everybody? Joshua Casper back at you with another quick tip, power user tutorial for Loopcloud. This one is the different ways of getting around inside of Loopcloud. Loopcloud is enormous. It's the entire Loopmasters database. That's over 4 million loops and sounds, okay? So they've made getting around extremely intuitive, and you can really get to where you want to go quite quickly. So, for example, obviously up here, we've got our tags, instrument tags, genre tags, label tags. We can do a quick search just by typing it in. That's very straightforward. But let's say I have this track here, and I don't know where the pack is from. When I'm on the actual track and I have my pack artwork, this eye, if I click it, it will actually bring me to the entire pack. So now I can look to see if there's any other samples that might work for me inside of the project. That's awesome. Also, if you hit more right here, you'll get the information about the pack, and you'll also see the different tags for the pack. So if you want to stay inside the pack and just check out vocals, I can click that, and now I'm just looking at vocals from that pack right here. Now, there are some other really cool things you can do as well. For example, if I come down to this track and right click, I can show in my library. Boom. This is the sample inside of my library, and now I can see if there's any, like you can see here, I've got this same sample, but number 3 instead of number 2. I can easily go there. I do this all the time. Very, very helpful. I can also, if I right click right here, show full pack. And when I do that, it actually brings me to the full pack, just like we did before by hitting that eye. But in addition, it actually brings me right to the actual file inside of the pack. So this is the file I'm using. If you look right here, MBT120F kick sub. Look, MBT120F kick sub. Boom. That's the way to do it as well. And look how many tags we can filter things down to up here. You can see there's plus 29 more. If I click there, I can see them all. So there are plenty of ways to get around. And I don't think a lot of people know that if you want to see the pack, you click right here, or you can right click and show in my library, or you can do show full pack right from down here as well, and it'll just bring you right to the sample. It's very useful. I have to use it all the time for work, and I figured I'd share it with you. Anyway, Joshua Casper here for a quick power user tip tutorial in Loopcloud. I hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.